Hey everybody,
Hey.
it's February 14th, 2020, Valentine's Day, and also my birthday. So we're going on a vacation. You can see we're at the airport now waiting to board the flight, and our vacation starts
Now.
and we're here. This is the room tour,
Yes, we made it.
the infamous room tour. We always do a room tour wherever we go. And we are staying at the Sheraton, New York Times Square.
Yes.
And this is a fairly small hotel room, but in New York standards, this is normal size.
Yeah.
And first, we got the couch. Probably be a bed if I get in trouble. You got the king size bed, lamps,
So a wet bar down there.
and a wet bar. Cool. I didn't see that.
Yep.
I didn't see that. That's cool.
And the TV is
Yep.
actually
Flat screen
In the
TV
wall.
in the wall. Little closet space.
actually
April's already hung her stuff up. Hey. In the bathroom. Regular room. But it is a regular room inside. Down the street from Times Square. So that's what we wanted. We wanted a place with a central location. And that's what we got. And we're at the Sheraton Times Square, New York, and we're about to head out. We just had to do this room tour real quick.
Yep. So we're gonna get dressed and then we'll see you all at the next place.
Bow. World Trade Center, fam.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Grabbing a bite to eat. Where we at?
The counter custom burgers.
Where at?
Town Square.
Yeah, the look.
I did.
You having fun so far?
I am. I'm starving. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? We're in Times Square. Me and April just got finished watching The Lion King at the Meanscough Theater. You like the show? Amazing time. We had a great time. We had a great time. You can see we're in Times Square. We made it. It's like 11 o'clock at night. And it looks like it's in the middle of the daytime.